Hi guys, it's Mrs. Roop here. The last week of summer school, I want to leave you with a little inspiration. If there's one thing that I learned over COVID, it was how to watch a lot of TikTok videos. I've had TikTok for a while. In fact, I had Musical.ly for a while too. But I really got into watching them. And you can look up about anything on TikTok. Check these inspirational videos out.
Stop. Don't give up. You can do it. You're literally almost there. You're almost there. Look. You're almost there. It's right over there. Here's you. Here's the thing. So stop. Get up and keep going. You can do it. I believe in you. Sis, you are made for this. You can do it. Stop making excuses. You got it. I love you and value yourself more. You deserve that. And if you can't do it, I will do it for you. I love you so much. You got it. Don't give up. Don't give up.
So it's true. Many of you have completed your summer school courses. There's just a few of you that need a little extra push. Watch this TikTok from Kevin Hart.
It's easy to get rid of. Really easy. It's the easiest thing in the world to do. All right, man, I'm done. It's easy. It's very easy. But what's hard is going, yesterday I got nothing from working as hard as I could. Nothing happened for me. I'm going to do the same thing again today, but I'm going to try to work harder. That's the hardest thing in the world. To get up every day and give 100% and be in the same position that you were each day, but mentally know that you're trying and trying and trying. That's a real grind.
So guys, take those lessons from TikTok. Don't give up. Even though there are only a few more days left, I told you I knew a kid who did all his coursework, the whole thing, in 2 days. It's not too late. Got to do it now, and don't give up.